Ever wondered who you can trust for reliable vehicle warranty and breakdown cover? Enter SureGuard, the epitome of reliability that ensures round-the-clock service. Our comprehensive coverage caters to every driver's needs, from home start to national recovery. Picture this: it's a cold winter's day, your car breaks down, but worry not. One of our clients shares, SureGuard turned a potentially stressful situation into a minor hiccup. With SureGuard, you can trust that we've got you covered no matter the season. Are you an electric vehicle driver seeking a trustworthy support system? The unique challenges faced by electric vehicle drivers require innovative solutions. SureGuard is leading the way in this regard. Consider the story of an electric vehicle driver who was stranded due to a battery-related issue. SureGuard's responsive and effective service was there to provide the necessary assistance. With SureGuard, you can rest easy knowing we ensure you stay charged and ready to hit the road, regardless of your vehicle type. Looking for a breakdown service that truly cares about you? Welcome to SureGuard, where customer satisfaction is not just a promise, but a commitment. Our team goes the extra mile to ensure you feel supported and cared for every step of the way. Picture this: a rainy night, a flat tire, and a friendly voice on the line ready to help. That's the SureGuard way. At SureGuard, we provide more than just a service, we provide peace of mind. Ready to experience worry-free driving with SureGuard? As we journey through the seasons, SureGuard is there for you, offering comprehensive coverage tailored to your needs, from home start to national recovery. Leading the charge in electric vehicle breakdown services, SureGuard ensures you're always powered up. And with a customer-centric approach, you're not just a policy number, you're part of the SureGuard family. Visit our website today to start your journey towards worry-free driving. SureGuard, your trusted partner every season.